Yo guys, today we're going to be playing Paintball. Now we're going in the blue. So it is on the Citi-Build server, and it's a pretty dang cool server because it has lots of worlds on it. So now let's start. We are on the blue team, and we got snowballs and we got launchers. So we're going to put shop 8 because we bought a splash potion of swiftness. Now this is a humongous thing. Now it is a machine gun, a launcher or something like that. I'm not entirely sure of. So let's see here. Okay, looks like we got splash potion of swiftness, and we can't really run that fast. Alright, actually we can run fast. No! I'm getting hit! I'm getting hit! No! I lost. No! Guys, come on, we lost. No fair. Okay. Now let's go and try to find... Oh, I don't have my buff anymore. Alright, let's go find the red guys. Now, my senses are tingling that there are red people over there. Okay, now let's kill this. No! No! I'm not dying! I just killed it. Okay, good. I got 2 points and 5 cash. Okay. Cash can be used to buy other stuff, such as, like, machine guns and all that good stuff. Now I have a paintball gun right now. There's flower pots, which is strange because I'm not even sure what flower pots do. But let's go down and let's see. Okay, this looks like a huge house. Oh, and I won. So let's go to the red side and switch it up a little bit. Now let's check our balance. What command is that again? It is cash. 176. Let's go to shop. Speed. Oh, my team is red. Okay. Go. Okay, now we can start. We're in the dome once again. Well, actually, I didn't record inside of the dome. But I was in the dome before, and now this looks pretty weird. I was hit. And I hit. Alright, let's hit. I hit someone. Okay, that looks good. Did I see a blue man over here? Yeah, I did. Alright. Oh, I fragged someone. Oh. I fragged someone on my team. Well, that's not good. I don't want to frag them. Okay, looks like there's some blue guys! Blue guys! Blue! Blue! Oh, looks like I died. Ugh. Or died. Okay, 75 seconds left. Now you have to right click to use the snowballs to fire at people. Oh, this is really annoying. Okay, looks like there's a blue guy that looks over here. Oh, no, I was wrong. I'm blind. Obviously, I'm blind. Otherwise, I would have seen everything. Okay. Now let's looky here in the paintball facilities of this Jombit. Oh, looks like I'm still in the red territory. Okay. There's only a couple seconds left, which is annoying. There's 30 seconds left. Let's look over here. See if there's anyone nearby. Oh, there's like 20 seconds left. There's like no blue guys left. Oh, here they are. Here they are. Alright, it looks like he got killed. You need to get killed. Oh, someone fragged me. I died. Alright, now let's go to the blue side. Red. Okay, let's go red. Okay, let's check our cash. At the moment, we got 240. Shop. Alright, now the launcher's 25 or something. So a lot of people went red, apparently. Now, let's go. 125 seconds. We are now in this round. There are only a couple blues. Alright, I've been hit. I do not like being hit. Whoa! Alright, I killed like 2 people. Alright, now let's sneak. Oh, I hit someone on my own team. Ah! Shoot. Dang. Darn. That sucks. Okay. Let's see here. Excuse my sneeze, everyone. Okay. Now, from the looks of it, it doesn't seem like there's a lot of blue guys left. I'm not sure where all of them went exactly. I do not know where they all went. We need to take over the blue guys, and I'm not sure where they are. Alright, now let's go outside of this. Alright, we went in this place. They can't get us now. Alright. Now they can never get us. We can never get us. That was a stupid idea. Alright, looks like there's a thing that you can get over top of this from. Boom. Oh! Looks like we have won. Alright, now I'm gonna check my stats. Shots, team attacks, grenades, blah, blah, blah. Alright, so looks like this episode is about to end. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to rate, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will provide the link of this IP to the server in the description. So, thank you guys for watching. See you next time.